Khulumbaikha takhokte bukok songno tai lamsogo ani o channelo tinini job notification angkha NTPC ni hoite omongkha kaisa Maharatna company obongkha boni website norok thangai naidi boni website ni address angkha google thangai type khaidi www.ntpccareers.net oro thangai norok boni website naimanai obongkha boni website norok oro thangai naji jobs current under process current opening o thangai bongni je job notification tongmani norok oro click khai naimanai tabung no nugo naji right side o 15 July 2020 ni sijak NTPC oboni tolano kaisa option tongo click here to apply norok click khai di click khai keno je norok click here to apply norok oro apply khai manai jeng oboni sekang tamo nangkungmani boni je notification oboni nainai naijio jagano middle tong kaisa option advertisement hinai jeng english bo naimano hage hindi bo naimano jeng english type khainai oro jeng click khaikya click khaimani pore pura notification jeng nalainai naji angon jesek oro important je line tongmani obo nongno ang phonongnai NTPC is looking for 250 experienced engineer vacancy total vacancy engineer chongbagai 250 ta tongo electrical mechanical electronics tai instrumentation disciplines ni bagai jobs nokhorka jeng puliano nogo post ni bomongkha engineer E2 grade 250 post tai o job ni bagai qualification nangnai engineering degree in electrical mechanical electronics tai instrumentation with minimum 60% marks from recognized university institute tai jengoro naimano discipline engineer rung bagai je tomani pulangkha electrical engineering rung bagai prescribed degree in engineering field je tongmani obongkha electrical and electronics electrical instrumentation and control power system and high voltage power electronics tai power engineering next ingkha mechanical engineering boni bagai field nangnai mechanical production industrial engineering production and industrial engineering thermal mechanical and automation tai power engineering next ingkha electronics engineering bagai field nangnai electronics and telecommunication electronics and power electronics and communication tai electrical and electronics last ingkha instrumentation engineering bagi hingke electronics and instrumentation and control electronics instrumentation and control obongkha je field nangkukmani tai boni logi minimum 3 years post qualification executive experience nangnai tai must have worked at least 2 years in power plant no job khainani experience nangnai tai o job ni bagai upper age limit ingkha maximum age ingkha 30 tai boni pay scale salary ingkha minimum 50,000 ni hoite 1,60,000 E2 grade at the basic pay ingkha 50,000 obongkha engineering bagai tabukta kaisa post tongo post ni mongkha assistant chemist obongkha E1 grade obon total vacancy ingkha 25 boni bagai qualification nangnai MSc in chemistry from recognized Indian university তাই এটলিস্ট 60% মার্কস তনা নাंनाय তাই এক্সপিরিয়েন্স নাंनाय মিনিমাম 3 years post qualification experience in executive supervisory cadre তাই including training period in water treatment plant process and water analysis RO plant DM plant pre-treatment plant etc tona naंनाय tai boni bagi bo upper age limit 30 no tai boni pay scale ka minimum 40,000 hoite maximum 1,40,000 E1 grade at the basic pay rupees 40,000 tai ang vacancy busuk tong sai khnarna electrical engineer numbagi hinke total vacancy tong 75 oro ni bisingo S3 bagi hinke 4 mechanical ni bagi hinke total vacancy tong 115 oro ni bisingo S3 bagi hinke 7 next electronics ni bagi total vacancy tong 30 oro ni bisingo S3 bagi hinke 2 tai instrumentation total vacancy 30 no oro ni bisingo S3 bagi 2 tai assist chemist ni bagi total vacancy tong 25 oro ni bisingo S3 bagi hinke 3 norok on job notification norok bawasa naina di ang ani video ni description bogo ang all link ri nai norok naina di tai on job ni bagi apply khanyani hinke STS in bagi free tai general son bagi hinke 300 nangnai tai norok noni attachment photo rok nadi tai on job ni bagai online registration khuluk jangnai 15 July 2020 tai last day nangka 31st July 2020 norok apply khaina ke tamu khaina back ko thangai nugi manai je o jaga kaisa option tongo right side o click here to apply norok click khaini click khaimani pore norok noni select functional area norok choose khaidi je kono noni je fill tongmani khaimen pore submit khaidi submit khaime pore kise naidero jotono noni tongo or apply khaidi right side tongo se apply button aban pore oma fill up khaidi noni first name middle name last name noni date of birth category ST tai are you PWBD no kano yes case ready ex serviceman yes case no kano tai noni qualification ready noni work experience role noni check eligibility nai manai no tikhaino next row norok full application fill up khaidi belekeno hambai joto takokte bukok songno norok ani video no naimani bagai tai nongno ang koijao norok ani channel no subscribe khaidi like khaidi tai share khanya tapokdi tamni hangke nini bagai nanya phanangi mano piawani ni friend bani ni je cousins toner norok share khaidi bon bagai nangi mano nini through ti borok saimani jodi borok job mari thangke belanyo chini dofane bagai kaisa chamani himano hediba asangno tinini bagai belekhaino hambai khulumbai kya